30 minutes after 4. You could see saying Sunny a higher sempa. No, now I'm in Barcelona.
Oh, the man.
Barcelona na Kotoko.
Oh, the most sure what he me Kotoko me.
Now I support our team.
I'm going to go around my money name. And what I do in the Premier League, and I was supporting actually Arsenal. Okay. Because of Asian, because supporting Chelsea.
Because supporting Chelsea.
The treatment Chelsea gave to Mourinho, and the Omon free.
Oh, okay.
And remember a crew or a law, a crew medical doctor. Now, Mr. Omo convince him. The medical doctor no convince him. But since I'm supporting Man U was out of the way. Joy and Baba support Liverpool. Never support Man U.
Now Ghana had teams now.
I'm the House of Folk.
Accra House of Folk.
Every easy team ever support Ajax.
Now Oli.
No, I don't so. Oli traditionally came from Tema.
Okay.
Oli used to be Stamford.
Oh.
And so now obey Oli.
Oh.
And the Oli ni base here from Teshi Nungwa Zoko.
In the argument there, Oli Mom is rather the typical gang club, no, no,
Oli, you can say, yeah, it's a typical gang club. House of Folk is a typical gang club.
Oh, okay.
From Gamashi. And when the Gamashi consists of 7 clans.
Okay.
Yes, one of our supporter has. And the and the Gamashi is House of Folk in your team.
And Olinia Labadi.
Yeah, Labadi, Teshi, Nungwa, Tema. One.
Now, Abontre.
Oh, what's the one in them way? I am a supporter.
A supporter on Kakanka. It kept us venomous vipers.
Vipers are a foreign team. Busuan Drafts are a local team.
Oh, no, a local
because team. Ghana, the first team, what's we Gardners. Out of Gardners came Busuan Drafts.
Now Republicans now.
No, the first team.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gardners. What will Cape Coast?
What will Cape Coast? Out of Gardners came Dwarfs.
And Dwarfs Bay.
The Dwarfs is the typical Cape Coast team. Yeah. With their symbol as Abontia. Guakoto. Akoto Jujuba Wugutano. A year with any way and you'll be on. I've been a Wobom, was to for me. I've also made history.
Yeah. Now what's a Sudu Park nature on Subidao?
Fosu.
So what born a born a cotton sunim, no coyiba.
Nine Those were using those forces.
Oh, okay.
Those time we were living in a primitive area. People think that they can use human blood to win matches.
Our football was not scientific then.
Yes. God is greater than all.
Of course.
The advent of civilization, Christianity.
Yeah.
I hope in God though they came with the Bible, they went away with our properties and our lands. But then it was the will of God for us to have an open eye to know the true God. And everybody is gearing towards the cross.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. About second 11 wise.
And
Nazakis. Hey.
11 wise seems to be 11 wise Nazakis is like Sekendi and Takrady.
Oh yeah, why the Sekendi and Takrady? Yeah, that's true. So Azak wise base power Sekendi.
Sekendi Nazakis ni base.
Or Takrady. Sekendi kakana Takrady. Yeah. But wise is more Sekendi.
As do area one or Azakis.
Okay.
Okay. And echo amountful. So you benya. Majority are wise, small Azakis. But they are a team. Them 2 constituencies in. Secondly, from majority are not hunters.
Yeah,
they are from Elmina.
Yeah, that's true.
And then you have Takrady. Majority of them are coming from Cape Coast.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
In this guy Kaswa.
No, I'm not paying to maintain.
Gwami was shocked when I brought the history of Kaswa.
No, but Kaswa is not a typical central region town.
No, a central region town.
Kaswa
ni re name yi odupon pe o je de baby amamafo wo hia ehunzo ho ne se ofankofo obesi hina waya di o no wo hia waya won rituals ni wo si hin na won yin ko ofanko
Asempa FM
o no wo bugu ha won nyamanyama na woko
ofanko.
It was a very ofanko
Poko say
no
hey.
The Ofanko
Kaswa Ofanko then.
Yeah, Kaswa Ofanko, they are the owners of Adi Ofanko. Yeah, them so would you yeah, would you lands.
Oh really?
It was as a result of a marriage between Dede Adodiakai B and Neo Gangwe. And see, a lot of the Gan culture comes from Awutu.
But Ewutu no I want where you fantafo ewa.
No, where Guans, Abutu, in Granfu, you're from Abutu, but in Fanti, you're from Ewutu. They are Guans, typical Guans, original owners of the land.
Oh, and I want to watch a Kaswa assassin.
You know, but in Kaswa assassin, Gomofete owns a majority of the Kaswa assassin. In fact, in Central region, Gomofete has the largest of tract of land. Yes. Gomafete, which is a division of Ajampim, owns the biggest land in Central.
So how did Kaswa become what it is today? Why?
It's a long story.
The
dynamics.
We on air. Why him?
Asempa FM.
Alright.
Kaswa, as I have known it, from 1968, 69, 70 onwards, Kaswa used to be a very small town with the inhabitants who came from the Sahel.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Gao, Chadfo, Niger, that's Fulani. When the Chadians are Fulani, no, Niger, Burkina Faso,
yes,
Mali, with small group from Mauritania. If you want dressing and they all believe that they were part of Asian Ghana. In fact, if you read the history, that is why you see Malians, Gao, Funazinya, they claim Ghana to be part of their country.
To be part of their country. Them
because
as a matter of fact, we were from that area. You can't deny that fact. And see, they claim that here, so and they also have they have some entitlement.
And we won't be having names like Mansan and Nikakawa.
Mansa Musa
was the first African billionaire. And see, Mansa Musa is
and still the richest man to have ever lived.
This is Dangote. I'm not challenging. Dangote Papa Kurapo was richer than Dangote himself. Everyone was and those were from the Songhai Empire, especially the northern Nigerians, were part the Fulani, part Songhai Empire. And see, Ekosalaga, for instance, you have the Gunjes and then the Hausa Gunjes. Because that was a slave trade point.
Yeah.
The Kaswa Mekaipa butchers from Accra. Woko Kaswa at that time. No woko to Nentwi.
And year assembly.
I'm talking about 68, 69, 70.
Oh, okay.
No, it was a small enclave.
It's
in dispute. Maybe Goma Feteful because Nazi Dampasi Fete Kakraba. I'm being told there are small satellites of Goma Fete towns.
Okay.
Now Kaswa as it is now, you can't define the boundaries, though they have Awutu Senya is municipal assembly.
Assembly.
But there's always that fight for land. There originally this land belonged
Yeah.
to.
Yeah.
Now, to them, Mama Gan Kaswa in 1968, 69, 70, 71, 72, 71. No, was the name tree by Bibia was a baby beyond Kaswa was a call. No, there was no market. That small ruminants now what on one. No name tree now then no was a friend of Kaswa. But original name is Odupon Pehe.
Odupon Pehe.
Oh, no. To them, I'm going to do from the Funazi. We see here and there one festival. Was it Chasso? It's Tama President Rollins Bay with his 31st December revolution. And Ashaiman was the most troublesome sport in Ghana.
Ashaiman?
Yeah, Ashaiman. You have all manner of people in Ashaiman. No robbery, violence. Ashaiman was a violent town because it's a spillover from Tema. And Kwame Nkrumah, Osha si there, Orisi Tema, Habone, Tema communities in Nazen. Workers in Nazen, no what's Ashaiman. Na ebenya yenyanum gandang before na crobofo na nigga also stay in there. If he may wind there, the nothing extraction so we will move about. And sometimes it has to do with this nothing. Yeah, within our own nothing Ghana. Osi. In the I even won't do control as an in the Tema traditional council. And the Buno one will be ABC Ntabo Denga Kabi, in Chance Denga Kabi, Ntabo Denga Kabi. If robbery started in those years, no way invaded Tema Township. Then Lashibi was fallow. Nobody thought then Lashibi would be what it is today. And the Rollins Band, no move at equipment. Come on, destroy a lot. Baby, criminals will do chop.
That's in Ashaiman.
Ashaiman.
Okay.
And the one they moved to.
They moved to Kaswa. Oh.
One. No bono on your sister. No grown kakakra. Now, in the mayor description, the Monko baby are there from Winneba Junction.
Mm-hmm.
The Bakaswa.
Yeah.
It was a forest. Then you road or your bumpy road. Then if you're from colonial time, and was
on Asempa FM
road. If you keep going to the bank now, I'm matching. For them 33 seater and Gano Titi Benzi to take you about 3 to 4 hours to get to Accra. But jump them, but road in Guaponu, if you have it can't penetrate through the forest of trees.
Wow.
Then all of a sudden, Jetasam, a big time contractor, Nenianum, will be a golf park. A golf park was just after the runabout towards Accra filling station.
Yeah.
New one. Go for BC filling station. Now, that was a small development in that area. In Wushia, now about potting.
Oh, okay.
Potting soon, no way inside.
Only junction on there.
Meanwhile, in the Potting Junction, some small touch buildings. I'm talking about 70, 71. If you are a baba, I would to break. I would to Budata or Nusu she inside. Azana ba Ekuti
on Asempa FM.
There was no building at Ekuti Junction. Nusu Ekuti were inside. Ne as a fool about Fete Kakraba.
Yeah.
Ne Fete Kakraba na ke de ebinuma Feta in for way you want this water one share one assassin. Because Feta assassin or soon. Feta assassin is no joke. It's no joke at all. What was assassin? I don't know how they are managing it. What was assassin, Papa? Almost go Budubram ni almost of it in your Feta assassin. Wow.
Nti bo move nefi ezaba
Abakaswa.
Ne kaswa ne kuku kakri bi no na woton mponchi ngwan na nenji. Na nasin kakran aya one of office Sahil na was the annual nkakakra. So that's how kaswa
It started.
started.
In the assignment for the
Ashaman Fubogu.
Okay.
Ashaman Fubogu one. Nefi Kenneth Thompson. Ne Central Region. The boundary used to be at Obechabelamte Circle.
Oh.
Yeah, Awonya Kanishi Mamprobi Bubuashi. These names
on Asempa FM.
Futu Gomoa names.
Oh. So they were all part of Central Region.
Yeah, the land was bigger than them.
Yeah.
But the Bachoko Nazi in the English phone, they started moving into these areas. Aplaku ya apreku. Bote nano oye bote na ano. Asana eboko kukrubite dan passe Tuba. Tuba came as a result of I think once they are from the northern extraction. Ne you anuma where danfu ne adia where gramophone.
Yeah.
But that area ni na no a Catholic secretariat. One vegetable farms. There's this church generation something.
New generation resurrection power. Yeah.
Oh, one in no a Catholic for
one vegetable
farms.
Or they about Tobut or they
for a Catholic for vegetable farms. I think for me to go inside the Tobut here.
Yeah.
I think go inside there. Then for Tuba, no a waterlogged area. No where your vegetables. You ask the Catholic secretariat, they will tell you that was their farms with their farm laborers and workers.
Asempa FM.
And see,
Kaswa on Asempa FM.
What added to Kaswa to grow to today? It just exploded out of the blues. Yeah, Liberian refugees are on your way.
Someone will call Budumburam.
Liberian refugees. And nothing was Kokumba was Nazin.
Man for flee from the wars our bay.
Came to settle at Kaswa. Azana will move. What about old Father Man? In the old Father Man, our orphan Bubuai, Agbobloshi. The original Agbobloshi now was just directly opposite Akabri Way. Railway line or Chawuntem. And there are railway quarters or what they have for Agbobloshi. You see another waterlogged area. The first person to develop that area was Dormont.
Okay.
Nefi Nana Akufo-Addo, ne papa Obesi Beyeman. Okay. This is how Beyeman was one of the first in the area on the Dormont Nazi Asana Sekins. No Suruba Abeshem. Nefi one wanted to one movie about the present Agbogboshi line.
On
is another Ghana altogether. Why this way called Laguni?
Yeah.
And what shall I say? Kaswa was the first place to germinate langards
in Ghana.
And Ghana harvested the langards. And see, if you langards in Wabetra Ablekuma, a lot of them were staying at Ablekuma. In Ghana Ablekuma Yala, for Obum.
Yeah.
That is how they are always on a hideout. So you have all criminals moving into that place.
Police for Ablekuma.
Yes, that's what I want to talk about.
Okay.
Those time in English amount was uninhabited. Here English amount from Krapono. We'll see. Ati Wovenen one expanded wager waterworks. Na or a waterlogged area. When you go inside, you see it. Now Manfu started developing in getting them. Then you and my Befusu will be stay along the banks of Adi. Now was why you want fishing. And you see the dynamics. And so there was a conflict between Central Region and Greater Accra.
Then you have Kenneth Thompson becoming the commissioner for Central Region. O movie Barry Anipo when it was at Wager Junction, not about Plaku Junction. The man, what is it? Well, that's for the courts to decide. But that is the development of the area. Now, Okudu baby, if there's spillage of Accra, Abaye fu, a man for Bano obey when in Amna, which my bonnet, the line white lines here when we echo Okanshina, Mammy. When I was helping Metro Assembly to resettle the hawkers. Zoma, I mean, may pay me, Madame Fosternes, yet so Young Traders Association. Yesterday, I'm at Makiri, moment. Now, Abaye in the school, Papa. A lot of the boys made money. See, if he were Bakaswa.
Now, or to Tassas,
no, to Tassas. Michel, or shall see from SEC.
Ekosi saying on Asempa FM.
Area what the man getting the man was Bodu. Kaswa. And so Biba no onya ntabo Kiosbia no wabo not him. Yeah. There are no roots in Kaswa. Yeah, and there it just exploded out of the blues. And see a whole stretch. There's no road. That's why the criminals are having a field day because of a moto.
Asempa FM.
Or for tabo bia one answer do what to cross it be a teenage bia of a while. Okay. In Winnipeg. But Gomwa fete ne krasi Gomwa nyanyanu na nekekawan. The land was fallow until people started buying the land. And the young crowd net to us as well, you know, above along that way, you know, a Jamona, they will finish you.
Wow.
And see, crime, Ankasan, every day in Kaswa.
Since
as for rape, they advertising. The away be advertising on God. Position on
Ekosi saying on Asempa FM.
Today, to Chingom, Kios in Ashwood. Kaswa is a very volatile place.
Since
from 85, 90 Ziban.
Oh, really?
Kaswa has become what it is now. And Kaswa has expanded to Akweli. And he's getting even to Ofanko, the owners of the land.
Yeah.
Esha
Opekuma.
Oh, Opekuma di nusu Oshemu or Iron City or Nature. Opekuma. Oh, most of them are Gomwa lands. Onya Awutu lands. Or Gomwa feta from one assassin. Now, what I'm saying is, in Kanuna Gasapon, Okodu baby, na man food dia vegetables. Because from Kaswa Efa Akweli
FM.
Duke of Ankwa. Nature not full we see conference hall na be them abiem.
Yeah.
Oh nature one there's a large tract of land naturally or a water reservoir. A man who were interested in pineapple, citrus,
on Asempa FM.
Vegetables like cauliflower and those things.
Yeah.
People started moving in the Nyama. Fish pond and actually the largest fish pond in Ghana. Louis area. You see the biggest fishing pond in Ghana. You will love to see it. You will love it. And when you bizarre, you will love it.
Ni na o Kaswa ho.
Oh, Kaswa ne chinje Kaswa has now expanded. This is Budubram.
Yeah. Wabum. Yeah.
Wabum. And the actual Ade Bikrum. Adadie, for instance, they mean only originally no Kutukulifu no what's all. And Nuzu is spillage. Nuzu belongs to Gomwa. But then, it's even hard to define Kaswa.
So Accra or Central Regional?
No, it's in Central Region. And there is no doubt about that. is in Central Region.
Okay.
But how to define the boundaries?
The boundaries of Kasoa.
It's become a
big
problem.
But a can able do when the Liberian refugees came.
Liberian refugees in Benin.
One contribution to the
mess. Liberian refugees.
There
were educated people among them. Majority use Ghana as a springboard to go to America. But you know, there were warlords who disguised themselves as if they are ordinary refugees. They were brought to this country. They added to the woes of Kasoa. And then you have also Nigerians.
Yeah.
In the Kasoa, Budubram Nabo, traffic in Bahan there for Kumoa.
Eish, under yourself.
Namabo Mu, the Sunzumbina, all of a sudden, Goma Budubram has become the most problematic area in Central Region. I don't know. But Kwame Duncan one more expansions are all the way in
Let me also friend gap in him gap ma. Maybe as far you endanger yourself. Yes. Friend gap mu or no man's land though.
Oh yeah, gap mu area when you no a prison no a prisons once.
Oh okay.
Prisons for no or offended maybe some of the
inmates no.
Inmates now as in near your friend Awutu prison camp. The large tract of land there in that area would Bram Nichiboya or yeah, Awutu prison camp.
And a man for the freedom.
Oh, Masa. Nigeria Langa to know what to turn as I as a new way, Echo Boku. None of them get a baby pea within that peripheral. I eat to form there's a foundations is a boom impunity in people have been buried. And the Kasoa, these kids once a me it is so new to Ghanaians there, Charlie. Is that the Ghana Yefi Rastafarians want Otro one story 5 years about.
Yeah, that Kasoa.
But that is Ghana for you. Instead of advising national security, the National Development Planning Commission to critically look, Kasoa should be promoted from municipality to metro.
To a metro, that's number one.
Yeah,
that a regional police command, like Kasoa region.
Yeah, that's this morning when Kwame Nkrumah was giving a brief because he has been the security head there once before. And he was calling for a full regional
command.
And it's a fact.
Like Tema.
Because Erukonyanyana, Inja Owa, oh yeah, Bushkwa, that you don't expect. Yeah, nah. Which are for baby.
You could see saying on Asempa FM.
You have to be that. Oh, 1 year. 1 year for those time in the 7 days Mugo campaign as yeah for Opa. You go boo na ya in Vienna as you kalim. Azana most of the roads you put now I have a road. Whatever brands ana do as say yeah prostate and then there a year eto.
Asempa FM.
See the place. So wonderful. The beautiful buildings. No, this was easier. Now, man, for criminals work already in those areas. Even the people living around those peripheral are not safe. And it has resulted quite about there. In some crap, no troubles. Just because of the population explosion. And see, there's a lot that needs to be done. And like Kwame Duncan said this morning, police post all one.
Now
a regional
divisional command.
A divisional command.
Yeah.
Yes, that was created in 2014 also.
Okay.
A regional command, a divisional command. But it's not sufficient.
Yeah.
There's a need for a lot of
it be a call for even a military base in Kasoa.
That was
that's extreme, eh?
That, you see, in the Sahel region in Kasoa. In Ghana, every tribe is in Kasoa. Our difficulty is not being able to integrate the cultural diversity in that area. If you have brought them together, there can be changes. But your baby or crop of war, you know crop area, you know Adafo. As for the guns, they are gone. It's gone. There are a lot of them there. There was 24. They are spread up in those areas. Then we have Niger for
Asempa FM.
They have their chiefs. For the northern extraction as well as the Sahel people, there's an integration there when you won't be because the Sariki in that area brings all the heads together. But from here, indigenous tribes now, we've not been able to integrate them.
Wow.
Makede Kaswa Ajude Nufa. Oh, I am a reason I know we rape Besia. I'm talking about 80s. Buna on Monday in the 19 was one loading Nazinya. Those days Arrow Glass was raining. Nzi buna Aglima, no Gukal Mama, Nkruma, Tomatoes, because now we have only two biggest markets in Ghana. That is Techima and Magasin.
Yeah.
It wasn't all that. Now I the Malata market is for the rich. One I will fit Tessano, and one I will fit Newtown. Though it's in Newtown, will fit Nima, other areas, will fit rich. And one Roman rich areas. One will be Tikwa or Malata. And see Malata, now I can hear the high class. On so neat.
Wow.
Yes.
Tuesday market was there.
No, Tuesday. Oh, I'm telling you, Mom area. You for
Tuesday market.
Yeah, Tuesday market.
It used to be one of the top.
It's one of the oldest. Tuesday marketing. You don't count it so much. Mambrobi Tuesday market. You don't come. It's between Mambrobi and Kolebu. Kolegono. Moza within that enclave. But what made it that place popular in Dagawad Mills?
Yeah.
Ne papa nje or a lawyer.
Okay.
Or so many horses. You find Agbado Chambers. Nje your jockey be our friend Keke Kantara Kamara. Nje one money baby war me area wa. It popularized the area, and I never can make sure most
Asempa
issues.
You're part of the issue.
Next week,
talk about what has happened in Kaswa. I think that's insight, no, at least to understand the Kaswa situation proper.
Danzuma.
Yeah.
Danzuma used to be called Mango Line. Onyobia no do a mango. You can count hundreds of mango trees. Ni inside one. Ne yo eninsifu tigali wafanden akonfu eninsifu tokoshi asofu washi inside.
What Danzuman?
That's woman. Wow. I'm talking about.
Wow.
Naturally, from that side, they were Pambros. So, Greek phone, what was construct Pambros. Now, on my space, but them Kaka. And the Makati Hill, look in a car here. Every Gama's house, there's a mango
tree.
Yes.
Alote Jacobs and giving us a bit of history to understand, the situation in Kaswa some more. But my main friend Chem Emamo said, Obi, please wish my girl Nana Abena Amponsa Nyameche Yerenchi special happy birthday. She's 6 years today. May she age with more grace. And this is from the whole family, the Yerenchi family. Wefreo Papa Sami Yerenchi, former programs manager at Asempa FM. Nana Abena Amponsa Nyameche Yerenchi, 6 years today. Happy birthday to you. I'm told also say Kumasi Asante Kotoko any Bechem United game, Koso or Boase. Kotoko is leading by 4 goals to nil at the moment. In Tiabesha said the Nyoma
ABC Ako. I say too much. We say Alote the surveyor historian Sampain na Osamin Kancho. Samuel Ablodepe says, good evening, Obi. I'm enjoying Alote Jacob's deep knowledge of the history of Central Region and by extension Ghana. My regards to the educated fisherman Samuel Ablodepe. We say, Obi, I'm learning something from Alote today. History is good. God help Ghana. Nana Kakra and but Nana Kakra, a former parliamentary aspirant who Okre constituency for the NDC. Obi, the meaning of Kaswa is market in the Hausa language. It was named so because it was a center where traders brought all their farm product and livestock to come and sell. But its original name is Odupon Wehe. Nana one ewo Kaswa or none dia or dia brain. Any messages no endorso. But we say Obi
on Asempa FM.
Assuming the kids succeeded in their act and became rich overnight, guess what? 1, the churches will give them the front seat in church. 2, you, the media, will give them the platform to tell their life story. 3, the society, i.e. elders, chiefs, opinion leaders, politicians, will hail them. What a country we live in. May the little boy rest in peace. Castro Ananu Ewan Sawem. This one says, Obi, please, the NLA tug of war between management and the private little stakeholders is deeper than what meets the eye. It's fair we don't jump into conclusions and vilify Razak Kojo Opoku for an alleged tape. We are not sure of its authenticity. I plead we get the side of the NLA on this buhaha. Farouk in Tema and on the way up. Okay, message is no a door. So but we'll come back to them. I remember I beg your phone I can acquire and any home running fan common so solid education by Uncle Alote there. But I wanted him to finish the bit on the raping of women. He didn't continue. If you can let him finish. And great news for us, the Porcupine family. Kojo Brace.
It's a tax in Bodo finger. I can catch you one.
Only but that's a street.
But my money history could be
You could see saying on
Asempa FM. Yeah, one road here.
Over far no far.
Far enough far. I there.
Insuo so.
Overflow of the insu. Nje odo no dey.
Yeah.
Either to there was nobody living in that area.
Odo.
But what shall see the what shall see the will see at the government. Taneshi Estates during Nkoma's time. So you have the Evers. One carpenter fune as the mason fune as in work with Juma na or area or one table as it. No what shall say that's how Aveno
Ostarte
come to be Aveno. Or today Danzumami Estates. No catch all the no mango. And the Canal Kutu Achampon. Oshasi with the Dansumami Estates. Then came Opetekwe, Shabu, Glife, I will fun or maybe Shabu, your babyful, baby Wogu. So that's
how you see saying on Asempa FM.
Obey.
Towns or communities came about.
And
that is how Accra started.
Alote is what radio is about. Even though I'm a Ga, I seem not to know much, and it's been interesting listening to him. Now somebody wants to, come and spoil the air. Oh boy, or Kylie and on the way Abba. But I remember your phone. Kojo Edua Sari.
Obiambe spoil air. Your time for everything. Until you pass your history. Malotembra ahead of Ghana for history. And your time I am say you found be discussion. Now they 1 hour am looking correct.
When you are there, there's that
so but Kojo was a about it saying.
Yeah, Obi.
Bibi Aboko.
Yeah, but then you
Obi, Mami Obi, I said, "Na baby ofri, baby akojo do say if you waju."
Was our ballet too.
Oh, waju.
The bar be class 30 minutes. And so etialu 2 bars. Yeah, but
Me chia. Oh, be nyasa na me kan.
I want cheer we are mami nkasa na wo de wa je kasa na. What's your problem?
Baby of your waju papa. Me do nyame.
Kojo na me se mebusa we. Your friend is a Mohono Madina Zongo Junction, Ko Adentano. Who you saw her to say this here?
Who say?
Miss who you saw her to say this here?
Terrible.
That's all my interventions be my you do result and no result.
Terrible. I mean, whichever engineer did that work.
Which of the works?
That engineering of that's a part of who free atomic.
Yes.
Now we call Zongo Junction.
Yes.
Most of the cars are trotro for. Yamomo a lane beer omu tibi famu.
Yes.
The party for passengers is
Yes.
And about 40 to 50% of those trotro for omu free they cross from that extreme right end, across to the extreme left.
Wow.
What I say? I'm Besianko, Zongo Junction, Zongo inside Libya Cortes, and in the Ekika account, a bifa hot the coco pie, Aboko Bikwan so the Ekika account. I'm saying Aboko is Agboba, we reach a tree on. That's where a lot of the cars apply. Imagine, no, I don't do risk because Zongo Junction.
No, Zongo Junction, it's Agboba.
Miss Unse Kwana that race,
but could be the how copy.
Kwana that race dancing now. There's a link from Zongo Junction and also Koko period Kuechi Ediko.
Okay.
A lot of people use that we know the kupie eho. It imagine say ya so green. Now it's say cast ninya kwan ekono. Afe na omo e right extreme right no. Omo cross so aba left side and so omo so akwa joining omo lane na eko.
And that's the reason for that messy traffic.
Traffic no to me be do almost atomic.
I think they have to control. You see, baby Akwajo can see. There's a road one small road now, the market. They are supposed to go straight. So what they need to do is do a traffic over there. Like a traffic need to turn it to stream end and almost turn it over. So I don't know who did that engineer.
No, but me point is say Sisiano Greater Accra Regional Minister.
And some can be a woman can be marketing in Monaco. Now can be a but because they all can almost could do one. Then they have block. No joining the mainstream.
Or say
you will be a good liar.
Okay.
The American is
when we're talking about
Kaswa,
alignment and realignment.
Right.
Even though he's brought you, he's trapped you into it.
Oh no. Somewhere there be man education. Then again, who cross from the traffic light don't so crowd who could do the neck like what cross way 2 lanes. Out of 3. Taking
one.
It's crazy. You go to.
It's crazy.
It's the same thing
like all the way to almost the first bridge, especially on market days. Wednesdays and Saturdays.
Regional Minister interview. They are there.
Honestly, you can't just said you see on how will I put it? It's a crow. Do you understand? People even live there. People stay.
It's part of Guantanamo. It's part of Guantanamo.
So the free pass.
You see, from Zongo Junction to Madina Market and beyond, left, right is choked. Masa, how damn pano? Now say we a few BB. Now person who ye U10.
You can't. Or there,
you can't. Open call former police station. Answer one boy runabout.
Madina came about as a result of Kana Roadie.
Kanda high. And the way you want call.
No way you want call.
That 3 highway there.
Oh, Charlie. Into the engineering is crazy.
Into the problem is what? The problem is pavement now walk finding fin.
You see,
I
you don't bring
the problem.
What happened with Kanishi market? It be, I think in its madness form and about because Kanishi put the highway, you know, 3 lanes, food bridges.
The other lane now can some pavement. And separated the main highway
from Saquina.
Street.
Yes.
So if they mount the traffic light over there, they can turn to the
I see you now. It is a see on me about. Sa lane there was a trot running fast. Ordinarily, I was like a trot running. I'm hoping to go straight Abba. But how come do they come and now join?
You see, if you ask me, I'll tell you, say what Kojo is saying.
Yes.
It will create a little congestion. As I saw more come when about another 100 meters and veer into an inner a year of the U10. If that is what they want to do.
No. The pavement meant for that trot.
But the assumption is that those people will be going straight. But now most of them are using the opposite way. Almost the crossing quino. What you say? The engineers thought say we move free her. These guys will also apply that a left route I call into Zongo. No.
What they're supposed to do is block us almost 2 pavement. So when the truck want to join that street now, you see when you get to the traffic light.
Yes.
So pavement now can the bar see traffic light?
Traffic light.
All they need is to mount a traffic light there. Then they block that pavement now. Okay, baby, you can join. They have to block it. So truck for Nisima, they will come straight as the engineers thought. Not just like a whole light manner. I saw an attending to the Zongo lane.
On to me, from the outer lane, there's one and other lane to the third one and a cop to your left. It's all about to Bejina. How will he maneuver?
No, but what I want to understand, because Mona use road on a daily basis. No, the regional minister was here. Said Omuye operation B. On it trot we share trot for no. Told them say a honor intimate parking near the Adibio. I just want updates. Say Mufawa at the same.
See, it's not about better. Parking. You see, my father always told me something. Say before you tell someone, don't urinate here, you must have provided baby obejo so amano. Because if you don't, a waste of instructions. Do you understand? Because they will know the next convenient place, which may be another inconvenience. Do you understand? So rather than be too a bit, even the minister were very beautiful and nice ideas, me sure say, but you see, the Ghanaian I know.
And the food bridges, what was he? They
don't use it. If you, like I said, if you ask me, South Crawford, a mid-session, a youth, a baby meeting a U10 on that stretch.
Okay.
Into Omoba junction, a Yinimua, cross Yinimua, Omumbra about 1 to 150 meters. From the junction. By that time, no traffic are free. Then they can veer to the inner lane. And then maybe it's a traffic light and you see normally U10 at the time. It makes more sense than whatever is going on. Master, sometimes who could just have traffic because and I will bounce you don't see it ahead.
Yeah.
By the time I present, what kind of nonsense cry is this? Nothing welcome.
My jaw way.
It's battle.
Yes. Adenta.
When I met you, yeah, and got one over my uncle. The why your roots be
Lakeside estate, you know.
No, your Lakeside boat. Makafa baby, no more there. They are constructing first class roads within that enclave. A lot of roads. If you Yabaka, if you are Shamai is before.
Santo
Zoom line. Yeah, they have Zoom line on. That's just
Missy traffic. Yes,
Tema Development Corporation for
Omaji
Assasia. They develop it. Roads before they sell it.
Which is the way to go.
It's our properties no be or that area. They've done well with that.
And Honorable Henry Cote, the job looks really daunting, at least from picture in Pennyfoya Painty and because one area or cars or targeted first Madina Zongo Junction.
Yeah.
You know, one or more use footbridges, no.
You see,
and a footbridges because you didn't know use.
Meba pointing on the side. The place is not just a matter of going to tell somebody say my cars and park or
Asempa FM.
There's a lorry park was there was Zongo Junction.
Yes.
Maybe a Prudential Bank no one. There's a huge, a friend saying, car park. Our Crawford, like Uko Mountains, near other parts. I think Volta region, near money, almost fat ni power. But you see, the population of vehicles, and Zongo Junction Bay Center. It is so big. Those days, of course, it was like any part of Accra. Zongo Junction, Uko face. Because you are like Ukwa Bibia
in the 60s.
Bibia Ukobia Ubenyaka there was Zongo Junction in
the 60s.
You understand? Even though a Necrano Akoya no who say every suburb Kabia or Sokokumi have between Yakakra Shaman in the Kekaka one. So Zongo Junction still carries that Ubifia Cradon mountains. Or missing way the next place or Bekata Sobeko is Zongo Junction. Okohu, the same thing. Okoketa, the same thing. That place has become a center. And Madina market, no, and no, na the pressure to that place, you know. Do you understand? That is the problem.
You have answered the question now.
It say won't be in fact Madina market one. You see, we are transing lack of planning.
It's too late.
And then Kekaka Ogbojo market. The original plan was that Yemfa being decongested Madina market. They don't go. Adenta Snake for market. It was also part of Southway so that Omobenya like smaller Yemfa pressure and to a friend say. But you see, when you do all of that, you need the Kasuas a place where Crawford a park be a one football park size. Requiring to me call then Crawford to me call home court almost confirm name of the chimani no more like a honour like a warehouse be Crawford Becqua tutor you know they are called market aquacoton. But here is the case. The Tishman Wednesday, no, main road, no, especially Wednesdays and Saturdays. Not sure cars are packing or hot articulators. Please, until you don't just solve the problem by just decide to say you cars a free junction. You haven't solved it.
Market is like a Shama market.
I think you paint the picture well. The problem is bigger than we initially thought. Bulk breaking should be a major thing now. Activating the satellite market should be a major thing.
Yeah. And the road to the market.
And so
I am roads to those days are Medina. Quite me now ye fat in chain edura market in him. Today, those two lanes are like who say lane are those days two you can't say 2 plots we are near Jack in them. The first one, those is not Fulani for be here in Nchie market in chain pay. That's the first lane. There's another one next to it. So 2 lanes in about joining market no. Into shops are those days now. Mo de tuto niema bojua. Nkrofo Jija stores ring na as they say Omaya no big, and the market is expanding towards Kekere Park side. What I say? It bibia as I say, a
lot more planning.
Make a buying free transportation. They should go to the area. Among Pesca. a diner was our way all the way at the back former police station no opposite no they should buy off some properties
Hey. Oh, what we buy IPSN?
Ekusi on Asempa FM.
Yes, I know, but at the corner self person the national development. Now say who bet yes sir who kwa kojina what for so say
buy off no
they should buy off and expand the market. See modern market.
It won't happen. Look, I have lived in Mandina for so many years. Yeah, it won't happen.
No, you see, when you say it won't happen, I don't get you.
Yes. How about activating satellite market now?
Yes.
Adenta house and hot the back
as at now, so almost cockra still.
Dipano
Dawson. I mean, what's that also? One qua Obibeko. New people have gone to occupy those places. Obiana only a drink crap say beer. Or market just because the stalls were available. Do you understand? But even though the original plan was not meant for such people, it was for one market why congested. If you ask me, because this Medina and its enclave, the population is not going and cut down. It will rather go up. For future planning purposes, and I mean, me feel say, and Osu, who thought say people would have sold their properties in Osu and relocated elsewhere because of the manner in which exactly what you say. See, you assassin Osu now, it's more like a gold mine for you. The same way if government sees ahead, so that this time round, on see, sir. Stores the something in the region of KJT so that the bigger ones can go there. Now other way no so you acquire stores for the future because you're planning. What you say, you can't sit there and put your hand on your head. Say, Charlie,
I get you. But another problem is so they say
there were 4 towns. Or 4 communities in that enclave by Islam. Oh yeah, Shashi, Valewashi, Mempiasam, and then Medina. Ninya, no, Oponglo. Oponglo is just the other side of it. Na, Ima, Ninya Oyela, Fumonlanzu.
It is somewhere.
Otiba,
Ekusi on Asempa FM.
Oh yeah, then
teshi for the
Maba, Jami, Bakacho teshi, even Bo Lakeside Bo or Cantamanzufu. And it's an enclave via one. And then can walk at your Quahapa.
You see how I
it's
now a good
America there. Yeah, but then also buildings in Bipa was easy to have a driveway. Very difficult.
You see, the reason why I'm targeting that area, I say. Most of the houses there right now.
On your papa,
old
buildings.
It will not cost much.
What you say? I just say it cost too much. You understand? The owners have since died long ago. Most of them have relocated. Negotiating for such a may not be
I
that.
Agree with you.
What I'm saying, that's the hand.
Park
all the way to police station opposite at the back up to Dagomba. No so. I bet me when you the account market no.
Exactly.
The line
all of that. Okay. You see saying so. You bet one come away so just to help just to help
when you have who say you man space. They say we have used about 30 minutes to describe something you think you know. And passionately
passionately. It's not Chairman, I was say me barber started Kaswa issue. If you are interested in the Kaswa small boys issue,
it is not a bad subject.
Okay.
So okay. I don't think you have to feel. We are educating the public, and because you know the enclave. I'm not taking you on. Now you like Obaya, why you don't follow me?
Okay. It is what I will do. Ekosi says in the higher Sempa FM. I will do this. Meba Chairman Kojoba me the shas here. Kaswa young guys near and then quickly we move from there. Issues near the
first one. Yeah. And send it. Did you see it? Good.
You want to talk about that?
A little bit, 2 minutes. And then the second one has to do with some level of bravado that some of the national security operatives
Two very important issues.
In
Meba, I'll give you the opportunity to speak to them. Chairman Boateng will start with